Hello, today we'll be looking at a question that involves logarithm. Now, a lot of students, especially JAMB, WAEC and NECO, have encountered this type of question that we want to do right now. And so many a time they find themselves stuck. But with what I'm going to do here today, I'm going to clarify that for you. Now let's dive right in. We have something like this. We have log of x minus 1 to base 2 plus log of x minus 3 to base 2 equal to 3. Now, how do you approach this type of question? Now, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to make sure that all the terms in the equation are expressed in terms of logarithm. How do I mean? Now, look at here, we have log. We have log. Then how about this 3? So let's start with this 3. Let's change this 3 to a logarithm form. So I'm going to repeat this equation now. So we have log to base 2 of x minus 1 plus log to base 2 of x minus 3. So this one, changing this to the same base as this logs, I'm going to say log 2 to base 2 of what? 3. This is a law of logarithm. 2 to base 2 of what? 3, right? So it means I'm going to say log of 2, right? Now, based on the law of logarithm, plus the law of addition means we are going to multiply. Now, this plus here means, since this log and this log, they are of the same base, it means this addition means we are going to apply multiplication rule. So I'll just write log, I'll put my brackets, x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 equals log 2 to base 2 of what? 3. Right? Now, it means I'll have log x minus 1, x minus 3 equals log, I want to change this to one number now, to now be log to base 2 of, what's 2 raised to power 3? It is 8. Now watch it. All of them have the same logarithm, the same base, log 2 will knock off. So we now have another to x minus 1 bracket x minus 3 is equals 8. Let's open up this bracket. X times x will give us x squared. X times minus 3 will give us minus 3x. Minus 1 times x will give us minus x. Minus 1 times minus 3 will give us plus 3 is equals 8. Now let's call it like that. We have x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal 8. Let's bring this 8 over. We now have x squared minus 4x plus 3 minus 8 is equals 0. So we now have x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. This is now a quadratic equation, right? So let's now factorize. So we now have s squared. Changing this, let's replace this with our factors, right? So we now have s squared minus 5x plus x minus 5 equals 0. Then let's factorize. So we now have x is common, x minus 5 plus 1 x minus 5 equals 0, right? So then we now have, this is common, x minus 5, so we choose one, we have x minus 5. What is left? X plus 1 equals 0. Now this means either x minus 5 is equal 0 or x plus 1 is equal 0. Now if x minus 5 is equal 0, it means that x is equal to what? 5. If x plus 1 equals 0, it means x is equal to minus 1, which means we have two possible answers. So it's either x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1. Now we are going to substitute these answers into the main equation and check which of them satisfies the equation or the question. So let's use x equal to 5. So we have log to base 2 of, instead of x, I'll put 5 minus 1 plus log to the base 2 of 5 minus 3 equals 3, right? Let's check if it's equal to 3. So we now have log reading to the base 2. What's 5 minus 1? 4 plus log to the base 2. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Is it equal to 3? Let's find out. Now, breaking this down, we now have log to the base 2. What is 4? 2 raised to the power 2 plus log to the base 2 to the power 2 equal to what? 3. Now, taking this back here, we now have 2 log 2 to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2 is equal to 3. Now remember, any log to its same base is 1. This is also 1. So it means we have 2 times 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So you have seen that this satisfies s, when s equal to 5 satisfies this. So we say this s equal to 5 is our answer. So I'll give you one to do for me. I want to see your answer in the comment section. So we have, let me give you something to do for me. So you have log to the base 3 of x minus 2 plus log to the base 3 of x minus 4 equal to 2. So I want to see your answer in the comment section. Thanks for